If you're looking for container management, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to have a look at Portainer. We're also going to have a look at Komodo. We want to know what features they offer, why you should be using them right now, today, and how they can actually benefit your specific use case. So without further ado, let's check them out. So let's look at Portainer. It has universal container management capabilities. It offers a unified web user interface for managing containers across platforms. It handles Docker, Swarm, and Kubernetes from one central location. You can deploy in cloud, on-premises, or even hybrid environments with equal ease. You can deploy, scale, monitor, and also configure container settings through an intuitive interface. You can also work across cloud services, local deployments, and also hybrid infrastructures. You can see over here, you can pull and push container images from Docker, Hub, or even custom repositories. You can manage image versions as well and tags through the very easy to use user interface. You can also create and configure container networks with visual tools. You can connect containers across environments seamlessly. You can manage persistent storage for containers through a unified interface, and you can also monitor volume usage as well as performance metrics quickly and easily. Let's have a look at some of their security and access controls. So they do offer role-based access. You can assign permissions based on team roles and responsibilities. You can control who can deploy, modify, or even view containers. You can integrate with LDAP, OA, or OAuth, and other enterprise systems. It also implements two-factor authentication for additional security layers, and you can track all container actions for compliance requirements. This allows you to maintain detailed logs of user activities. Let's have a look at Komodo now. So if you are looking for a great IDE, Komodo is a multi-language development. Komodo IDE supports over 10 programming languages, including Python, Perl, PHP, Ruby, JavaScript, and a bunch more. It is available on Windows, Mac OS, as well as Linux with consistent features. It's specialized tools for web and cloud application development workflows as well, and it is an all-in-one solution for coding, debugging, and deployment tasks. We're having a look at some of their powerful development tools now, and you can actually benefit from their intelligent syntax highlighting, their code completion, and their refactoring tools across a bunch of different languages. It has debug applications with breakpoint, variable inspections, and also interactive shell for immediate testing. You can work with Git, Mercurial, or a subversion directly within the IDE for seamless development. The very last thing that we're going to have a look at here is how it can actually help you boost your productivity. So you get split views with multiple windows that help manage complex projects efficiently. You get live share features which enable real-time code collaboration between team members. And you can see over here their extensibility allows customization with Python or even JavaScript plugins for hyper-specialized workflows. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There are so many options available. There's tons of software available. There's so many apps available. It's easy to get lost. My advice is always to go and try 2 or 3 or 4 options and see what actually works best for your specific use case. Actually use it and see what actually is the right option. I hope this was helpful. If it really was, you can help the channel out by hitting the subscribe button. You can help us get to 10,000 subs. We'll see you in another awesome video.